Today, I'm gonna walk you through the perfect home if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome in Deerfield Beach that's newly constructed in a gated community that's designed to give your lifestyle an instant upgrade.
Step inside this open concept first floor with 9-foot ceilings, providing a bright and airy feel throughout. The backyard is very spacious, has a hot tub, and can be fenced in for added privacy or if you have any pets.
On the second floor, you have your primary suite towards the back of the home, and it is massive, and so is the walk-in closet. This closet's so big, it's probably the size of my bedroom at home. And on the other side of the bedroom, you have your resort-style bathroom with dual vanities and a walk-in shower. On the other side of the house, where primary bedroom, you have your secondary bedrooms and this bathroom here, which serves not only these bedrooms, but this really cool part of the house. It's the den. The den can do a million things. It could be a playroom, it could be a family room, you could put a desk here and make it your office. And I'm gonna show you something else that's really, really cool. There's the laundry room right next door, meaning you don't have to lug your clothes up or down.
With impact glass throughout and an attached garage, this home is built for both comfort and security.
This pet-friendly townhome has a low HOA of just $244 per month, which includes cable and internet, making it an incredible value. And for investors or buyers looking for flexibility, this property allows for immediate rentals.
This home is conveniently located near major highways, near shopping, dining, and only 10 minutes from the beach.
As a part of this community, you have access to fantastic amenities, including this pool, this gym, which is fully equipped, this tot lot for the kiddos, and ample guest parking, which you probably don't need because your house is just a few steps away. Thank you for spending some time with us today looking at this gorgeous house. And by the way, this is JD's first listing video. Let us know in the comments on how you think that she did. I think she did great, but maybe I'm biased. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell.